Hello everyone, I have done this video so many times. I've done so many takes because I keep digressing. I just go off on a tangent on something and I'm trying to stay focused on one thing. So what's coming up on my channel this week? So on Friday I'm going out to do some Spanish traditional properties. They're beautiful homes. They're already up on the to let to sell to buy website. Do check them out, and I'm so excited. I'm going out there to video them. I've noticed a lot of properties that you guys I think tend to overlook. You might just click once and think, nah, it looks too far away or whatever. So when we go out to video properties, we video the property, but we are aware, because we live here, of what is around us and what surrounds us. But because you're just looking at the property, you don't actually see the towns and what there is and all that around. So I just thought I'd kind of give you an insight. Now, there is a beautiful, beautiful property. It's on the higher end of the market, say, price-wise. But it has this fabulous window, and the window comes from the ceiling to the floor in a triangle, and you look out onto the countryside. Now it stands on 2.5 metre square plot. I think it's that size anyway. It's absolutely huge, and it's very near the charming rural town of Totana. Now I will put the reference number up here. I have wrote some of them down. So that's TOT 1868. So if you have a look at some of these properties, you may have overlooked them, because it's a different type of lifestyle and a different type of way of living, and you might just miss out. So we have got properties for every type of budget and every type of taste. So everyone's got a different taste. Now, when we were coming over, we were going to have a little country property, like I videoed the other day, that little white one that I said, like Bonanza. We were thinking of having something like that, with some land around and maybe keep a goat and some chickens. That was what we were looking at. We ended up at this lovely, charming home that we call home. It's a Classico, and we are on Campus Hall in a lovely community, and we're so glad we are. We've built a great support system here and met some wonderful people that we happily call our friends, and we love it here. But there are so many options when you move into Spain. Now, we have properties. We've got a 7-bed, 7-bathroom property. That is definitely a doer-upper. But if you're young enough, you could get in there. You could turn that into an Airbnb if you wanted, but you'd have to get the relevant licenses. You could turn it into a cooking holiday place. Huge kitchen in there, absolutely huge. And you've got separate accommodations in this. And you've got another part of it that you could use as a yoga retreat or something like that. You have the old gardens or greenhouses out the back, and you've got a pool. Everything needs to be done on this property. So if you've got some money and you've got a bit of money to throw at something, this would be ideal to make a living in Spain. And it's just off a main road as well, so it would be ideal for that. So everyone has different ideas of what their lifestyle is going to look like in Spain, right? And not everyone wants to live on an urbanization. Some people call them estates. They're not estates. They're nice urbanizations, and we're out here in the sunshine and we all love it. And the critics that I have on here have never even visited this place, or any other place that I've videoed. And I do get a lot of hate stuff and everything on here, but never mind. I'm digressing now again. I'm only doing a job, guys. I'm just doing a job. That's all I'm doing. So we have, did I mention a property that was just down the road from the sea? I don't know whether I did, because everyone moans about, I say, 20 minutes from the beaches, and we are just getting the dual carriageway down the road, you're at the beach. But we have got a Spanish traditional property down there. It's a nice bungalow, front and back gardens, and great parking as well around there. Very easy to park, and it's literally at the top of the road down to the beach. You could walk it in 5 minutes. Well, me 5 minutes, you maybe 2 minutes. I'm like a snail on Valium C. I'm really slow. But it's right by the beaches and the beach bar, right? And there's a restaurant just there that on a Tuesday and Thursday does wonderful tapas. They always do wonderful tapas. They do, pardon me, wonderful paella. Or paella, whatever. But the food is really good. Anyway, stop digressing, Marie. What else can I tell you? We have apartments. I've done so many takes on this video, I can't remember what I've said now. So we have a beach property. We have apartments on golf resorts, right? We have country properties. We have rural town properties. We have rural village properties. We have doer-uppers. We got middle of the road, and we got ones that are already done and move into. And of course we've got properties on campus, and we got these new builds coming up as well. I don't know if I've mentioned the new builds, but the new builds I think are they're 2 and 3 bedrooms. I know they're 2 and 3 bedroom properties, and they look like they're going to be stunning properties with a community pool. Their reference number is going to be CAC 1897 and CAC 1896. We have got lots of different properties. We've got a 6 bedroom, 3 bathroom, ALD 1867, charming country property. We've got loads of properties out there for everybody's taste. So I just want to tell you so that we have a range of properties for everyone's taste, everyone's style, and different properties everywhere. We have from apartments to country homes. We got from rural townhomes to rural country properties. Did I say that? We got a beach property, we got apartments here, we got apartments there. We got it all at To Let, To Sell, To Buy. So if you want to check us out and come in and talk to the girls, maybe we got your dream home waiting for you. So until the next time, guys, take care. I'll see you soon.